What's up, guys? Just want to make a quick video review of Better Replay by CartKit. Recently installed this to my Shopify store, focusing mainly on the jewelry niche. The Shopify store that I'm using, that I just launched, is fairly new. So, we're hitting the ground running with some of the customer interactions and understanding their behaviors. And Better Replay was actually perfect for that. I was able to just kind of see how they're navigating through websites, live recording, super simple UI, and it provided a lot of good insight into, how my customers were behaving on my store, maybe where there were certain bottlenecks in my store, things of that nature. It's essentially gives you a live look of what people are doing, and it's really, really valuable information. So really excited to see the results. I mean, I just started. As of right now, I've already made some tweaks and seen some very, very positive changes. So really excited for that. And hopefully after about another month here of continuing to tweak, A/B test, all that fun stuff, we'll keep making some sales. So thank you so much, Better Replay, CartKit. Really appreciate you, and keep you guys updated. Thanks.